Welcome to Pop-Up Camper Pro. I'm Derek. Let's try that again. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the access door lock on your Coleman or Fleetwood pop-up camper that has a stepper door. First, chock both wheels. With the drill bit slightly larger than the inside of the rivet head, remove the rivets holding the top access door cap on. Next, drill all the rivets out. They're on this bracket on both sides of the door. All right, make sure all the little rivet heads are off all the holes. Then make sure all your rivets are clear. Just using a tapered punch. Push any remaining pieces out of the way. Using gloves, free the lock rods from inside the assembly. If you want to take it the rest of the way off, along the bottom of these doors are Phillips head screws. But we'll just leave it this open. Now, before we take anything else apart, notice the orientation of the lock bars. The cams face up in this orientation. When closed, the little curved parts face into the camper. Remove the nut. Then there's a star washer. And remove the cam. And that let the lock cylinder fall right out. And with it back together, it's just a little easier to push the whole thing out, I found. 3/8 wrench. And I push the assembly up. Take a good look at any assembly you're going to be reusing. This lock bar has a little bit more play than I'm comfortable with. So we'll give them a new one. With the door skin on, you want to get rid of any rivet debris that's in here. Put your plate back on. Open your new door lock. Available at ColemanPopUpParts.com. Links below. Put your bolts through. And install your lock nuts. With a Phillips head, make sure they're tight. Don't tighten them all the way with a screw gun. Remove the 5/8 nut. And the lock washer. Hold on the bottom of the assembly so it doesn't fall apart on this step. Set your lock bar. And I have the cam turned sideways. Let me move the camera. So the lock cam is turned sideways. Tabs are up on the lock bar. It goes on just like this. Lock washer back on. and the nut. Now we don't want to have to get back inside this for another 20 years, so we'll put a little medium strength Loctite right inside the nut just to help lock it. Glue your phone back on. Now we'll set the door back down. And feed the lock cams back into the holes. Make sure you use gloves for this step. At this step, they should look like this. Now reinstall your rivets, starting on the sides and the back. This is the air power rivet gun for this job. I highly recommend these. Check your operation. Should be free and smooth. Both exit the sides the same way. Then put your door cap back on. And the moment of truth, let's see if it works. There you go, folks. It's another do-it-yourself job that you can do. I hope this was helpful, and I hope I've earned your subscription today too. Of course, all these products are available at my web store, ColemanandFleetwood.com. Links are below. I'll see you at the campground.